Hey YouTube! Today we're setting sail on a 6-day cruise aboard Carnival Dream. And this time we're bringing the entire family along for the ride.
Let's go!
Get ready for all the fun and excitement as we explore Carnival Dream. It's cruise day! Can't wait. We're about to head to the ship. We have the whole family coming. Oh, DJ just wants to say hello. We got the baby coming today. 6-day cruise. We're going to Belize, Costa Maya, and Cozumel. Let's get started. I'm so excited. You excited, Des? Let's get started, DJ. We're almost there. About to get to the port. Carnival Dream.
That's what we get on.
Yes.
Going on a cruise. We're going on a cruise.
What time is it?
Peanut butter jelly time?
No. What time is it for real?
Cruise time? Oh.
No. So it's 11:12.
It's 11:13 and we are in Galveston waiting to get all our bags together and head up to the boat.
We have a lot of bags, y'all.
We like you not coming back. Where's your wheelchair? Go for the wheelchair, Mimi.
Where is the wheelchair? Finally getting on the ship. What time? That process was long, but we had a lot of wheelchairs, babies. All right, too excited.
Right across the gateway, got both sides of the way.
We're in here. Vacation has officially started.
I'm so happy. So happy.
First burger of the cruise. Tacos. You enjoyed your burger?
Yes. I just got the meat special, no bread. Onion rings gone. Bacon gone.
Gone.
This is for infants. And this is for adult, okay? So you can find them in your stateroom.
All right, we made it to our room here in 9371. All right, let's open our keys. DJ. Hello. Look what we are, Diz. We're gold now. Gold status. Gold status. DJ, you ready?
Open the door, DJ.
Come on, DJ, let's open the
Go
door.
open the door.
Let's go. Come on, DJ. Whoa. Yay. Okay. Oh, this is our room for the week. You excited, Des?
Yes.
I'm so sleepy. Ugh. I'm so sleepy, DJ. You sleepy? Come on. Come on. Here. Let's get on the bed. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay.
Clap, clap. Clap, clap, DJ. You chilling?
We fit in. The stroller fit, y'all. Okay, so we brought DJ's milk on the ship in this cooler with ice. I'll put the link to the bags in the description. So we froze enough milk to last us the entire trip and left a day supply of unfrozen milk on top to use, just for today. And our steward offered to bring us fresh ice every day, so shout out to him. All right, so I am unpacking everything, putting everything up, and of course, these two are asleep right before sail away. I think we're moving. Y'all, we're gonna miss the sail away party. You think I should wake them up? But DJ needs his nap. So we're not gonna wake DJ up. They're just gonna have to miss it this year. It is 6:05. We have early dining, right?
6:05.
And guess what? We're the first people here. First people with the baby. Still first people.
I don't know what I got. A sirloin steak?
I think you did, babe.
Sirloin steak. What you got, bro?
Let's see what's on search bar.